Good morning. It is day 2 of our Sanibel trip, and this is like extremely windy. We got up, we set the alarm for 6 at 6:30. Robert was gonna go fishing. Not today. Not right now. It's too rough. The ocean is too rough to go fishing. It's a little fishy smell. So it rained a lot yesterday, and it was pretty rough yesterday. So we're wearing our walking shoes. We're gonna walk down the beach and see if hopefully something good washed up. I don't know. Shelling was not the best the first day, so today's gonna be a little better. We got a bad show. That guy's walking. So alright, we're gonna start walking. There's more turtle marks, but they haven't, like, crew hasn't stopped by yet. Right.
That over there looks...
I thought there was fresh tracks. I'm gonna walk that way, yeah. So these are the turtle fins. That is where they nested. That is where they went back out. So usually these would be blocked off by now. I'm a little surprised they're not blocked off by now. And then people are walking right through it because they don't know. Like that guy walks right through it because he doesn't realize. It's not his fault, he just doesn't realize. But usually the eggs are going to be where they stop and sit for the longest. So that has an egg nest potential. This is an egg nest potential. This we got under this. This is my office right near our hotel. So this. But see, it doesn't really look like he stopped, so don't know if that has and that's where he came in. And then here's another turtle tracks. So see, she comes in on one side and leaves on the other. And this one, you know what? I guess they haven't come down yet. Because look, these tracks are not cutting through that. So they haven't made the rounds yet. Or it's a long beach. Maybe they're making the rounds and there's a lot of turtle nests from last night. So someone lost their key card. I'm gonna turn that into the front desk. Someone lost their key card. Here, I'll put it. I don't have a key card. I'm gonna put it in my pocket so you don't mix it with ours.
Okay. Could be my card.
Are you losing our card?
I don't know. It might be. It might be my card. Pick it up. Take it.
I did. It's in my pocket.
All right. I just thought you were going to be a do-gooder and put it on a...
No, I was going to take it.
I might have lost mine.
You can't find yours in the pocket?
That might be mine.
Oh my God, I found my card.
What is this thing? Sorry.
We are heading back to the room. So anyway, since it is now high tide at 10 a.m., we are going to go for another bike ride. I got my cooler bag with a couple bottles of water, and we're just going to stop by the ice machine, put a little ice in it. So this is the Western Inn. They have soda machines and an ice machine outside. The soda's $1. I really like that since I already ran out of Dr. Pepper. And would you put some ice in here, honey? He's gonna put some ice in there, and then we're gonna go get the bits. Alright, we're on a bike ride. There's an alligator. I'm not gonna cross the street. It's on the other side of the street. Right there. We'll have to say, it's like the first time we've seen an alligator in Sanibel for like 3 or 4 years. Pretty cool. As you can see, it's a weekday afternoon. Traffic is really busy, but you can see that alligator right there, can't you? Pretty cool. Alright, we're back from our bike ride to Tarpon Bay Beach. It was a really nice bike ride. I saw some alligator, well not some, I saw one alligator. This is our hotel right now, the beach behind us. It's noon when we were walking the beach, so it was like a 10-minute bike ride from here, and I found someone's driver's license, and so I picked it up and I wanted to get into like the wrong hands, and so I brought it back to the front desk even though I know he's not a resident here. It's a Fort Myers local, and I try to turn it into the front desk, but they're like, we have a protocol. It's just gonna sit in our lost and found. It might be quicker if you take it to the police station or mail it to him yourself. Because I asked if they would mail it to him since he's a local, and the lady, I don't know, I don't want to like, I don't want to sound negative, but I was a little surprised that they weren't willing to help out with this driver's license. I could definitely get the impression that she didn't want me to give her this driver's license. So that just surprised me. I just asked, I said, would you be willing to mail it to local? Because by the time I get back to Missouri next week, it might be just quicker. If you put it in the mail today, the guy will get it tomorrow. And she's like, no, we have a protocol. So that just surprised me. I thought they'd be a little more willing. So I will either drop it off at the police station later, or I will mail it to the guy when I get home this weekend. So I don't know. I don't want to leave it behind because I was afraid it would like blow away, or someone who would do bad things with his driver's license would have it. So anyway, we are going to eat lunch now, and then it's high tide right now, and it's very rough seas. So I took us some shells at Tarpon Bay, so I was happy. Not tons of shells, but nice little handful. I'm happy with that. See that crow on the housekeeping? Oh no, I can't see it. That crow will not leave that housekeeping cart alone. I just walked by to get Dr. Pepper from the machine, and there's now garbage thrown all over it because I'm pretty sure that crow, yep, that crow is looking through the trash. He's been hanging out around. We hear him like cawing all day long. Luckily he sleeps at night because that might be a little annoying, but bad bird. Very, very bad bird. He was very gung-ho, and then he starts cringing once he touches the water.
Yeah. You're tough on land, but you get in that water. It's so tough.
It's a little cold.
It's very cold.
Alright, so
I haven't gotten into it.
our hotel has a pool bar. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go check out the pool bar. What is that? A baby coconut? I don't know. Something for you to kick at me, I see. A couple people. One person sitting at the pool. Go this way. I see a rabbit. These rabbits have like no tails. It's very odd. Where did your tail go? Where is your tail? Why do these rabbits have no tails?
I don't know. It's very strange.
I see stairs to the right over here. We'll go around.
So funny.
Lots of rooms here. Lots of rooms.
I don't know. I'm not seeing any of these rooms.
No, we have the best view.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want one of these rooms. We definitely have the best view. Alright. There's 2 turtle doves.
Gee,
Robert almost got taken out by a turtle dove.
I heard it banging in my ear.
I got a mango pina colada, and Robert got the plain old pina colada. Even though it's 80 degrees out, it is melting very, very quickly.
Crazy. How can it only be 80 something? It's not like this.
I don't know. It doesn't feel like 80. It feels like 90. And that is the bar. And then you have like doing pretty good social distancing. Got tape on the telling people. And then she's got like a little plexiglass show for when you order your food. And they also have food here, but we're just getting drinks. It's buy one, get one free with a coupon.